now. It's okay now. Yeah, it's okay now. Sure. Good morning, everyone. Today, the topic given to me is organizational structure types. So, basically, organizational structure is provide the context which like employees, team, and an organization perform. An organizational structure, it is defined how the activities are directed towards the achievement of organizational aims. Determination of the appropriate organizational structure type. It is a result of study of trade-offs between two key variables. The variables are the organizational structure types available for use and how to optimize them for a given organization. There is no specific structure for any organization. So basically, it is a mix of different demands or requirements. So depend upon that requirements, the final structure is made. So for each organizational, this structure is unique for them. So there are some factors which are important in the organizational structure selection. These are listed here like degree of alignment with the organizational objectives, span of control, efficiency, effectiveness, clear line and scope of authority, accountability assignments, adaptability of design, efficiency of performance, the physical location like geographical location, either it is actual or virtual type, specialization capabilities, clear path of escalation of decisions, delegation capabilities, responsibility assignments, that how the people are responsible upon their roles, simplicity of design, cost considerations, and clear communication like company policies, state of the work, and organization's vision. You can go to next page. So this chart is taken from the PMI 6 revision 6. So in this one, it is showing us the organizational structure type and project characteristics like the role of the project manager. What will be the role of the project manager? So first is organic or a simple type organization. So in this one, as you can see that it's a flexible, people are working side by side. And if you go the like volume, it is a little like a project manager authority is less. Okay, and the role of project management is like a part-time or may not be able to designate job role like coordinator. So it's like a big like a coordinator role. So who manages the project budget? It is the owner of the operator. So the owner basically manages the budget. Second is the functional or the centralized. In this one, a job is being done like manufacturing divisions, engineering. In this one also, the project management manager authority is small or little. It's like a part-time or may not be able to designate jobs like a coordinator. So in this one also, manager role is less. Resource availability is like small. They have small resources, and the project management administration staff is also part-time. It's not like full-time. And who manage the project budget? It is a functional manager. Then comes to the multi-divisional. It is may replicate function for each division with a little centralization. Like it's we can say medium based. So one of the production processes, it can be like you have one product, or it has a small portfolio program, or a geographic region, or a customer care type project or a organization. So project manager authority is here also very less or like negligible. And project manager role is also a part-time. It's not like a full-fledged. It's like a job role is like a coordinator. Resource availability is less, little or none. And here also the budget is controlled by functional manager. And project management administration staff is also part-time. Then we have the matrix types. So in matrix, we have three types. Actually, basically, matrix types is like when the employees report to the both a project or a product and to a functional manager. So this is, structure is called the matrix type. So in this one, there is a strong, weak, and balance. In the strong, the job function with the project manager as a function, and weak, there is a job function, and balanced also job function. And the project management authority, in strong, it is a moderate to high, and in the weak, it is low, and balanced also, it is like low to moderate. Project management role in the mix matrix, strong matrix, it is full time. It's a designated job role, so he will do only the project management role. In the otherwise, in the week, it is a part time, so he can be doing maybe as part time or multifunctional activities. And also in the balance, it is part time. Resource availability, in the strong, it is moderate to high. In the weak and balance, it is low to moderate. And who manage the project budget in the strong, it is a project management manager because its role is high, and the other one is a functional manager, and the balanced, it is a mix. And project management administration staff, in the strong, it is full time, other two are part time in the balanced and weak. Next is a project oriented composite, or you can say it like a hybrid type. So in hybrid, as per the name, it is like a mix of two functions, any of two like type of organization type, one or more. If you mix them, it will be a hybrid type. So it's basically a project. So in the project, as your project management authority will be high to almost like a total. So he'll be like a full-fledged authority. Project management role is a full-time, is a designated job role, and his resource availability will be high. Project manager will be controlling the project budget, and project management office will work full time. Next is a virtual. Virtual is like a network type any organization. Okay, like they have like a virtual resources they can use. They can use third party contractors from them to optimize the cost or to optimize the efficiency. Here, the management or manager authority is low to moderate. Project management role is full time to part time, and resource availability low to moderate. Manager manage the budget. It's a mix, and project management administration staff, it could be a full time or part time depending upon the requirements. Then is a hybrid. Hybrid is mix of other types. Project manager authority is mixed, project management role is mixed, and resources are mixed, management budget are mixed, administration staff are mixed. The last one is PMO, project management office. It's also a mix of other types. Project management authority is high to almost level, and project management role is also full time. Resource availability also almost full, high to almost total. And here project management control the budget, and project PMO administration office staff is full time. So this was a today topic for me for organizational structure type.
Any questions يا شباب? All is okay. Cool. You're not lying. You understand all what he explained, right? Do you want to ask any question? Joe, Ahmad? So guys, this topic is not found in the 7th edition, but it's very important. You need to understand this topic not only for your exam, because our course is not just oriented for the exam passing criteria, it's also aligned with reality. When you go to reality, you'll find those types. You might not be told that our organization is on a functional or centralized type. You might be figuring out that your organization is more into functional oriented organization, or you'll find that each department, functions means departments, are controlling their criterias and their processes and whatsoever, and they are definitely having cross coordination or cross-functional coordination, but at the end of the day people are reporting to the functional manager, not to the project manager, in a sense where definitely they are communicating with the project manager, but the functional manager will have higher authority of the project manager, and they will be controlling the budget for the project, and you need to go through all of those 10 types of organizational structure just to understand how our authority as project managers and our powers are changing through either the projects or the organizations that we join, and you need just to digest them so you can imagine in the question how you can connect. If they are telling you that the project manager doesn't have the authority to control the budget of the project, so definitely if the answers are evolving around, let's say, the types of organizational structure, then definitely you are excluding one, two, or sorry, if he doesn't have the ability to control the budget, you are excluding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you are here, correct? And they are telling you, if they are telling you that the project management administrative are on a little to no involvement, then you are excluding 1 and 2. Then mostly you are here. Fine? Yes? Yes, they will give you a situation where you are the project manager, but you don't have the ability to control the project budget, for example. They will not tell you to choose which organizational structure you will be working with. It's not the question. They will be telling you that you are within you are managing a project within an organization. You don't have the authority to control budget, and you don't have, or let's say you have a little to none project management administrative involvement, and they will be asking you, for example, how do you think as a project manager that your people will be arranged over this project? So you will be checking an answer that is evolving around being flexible and working together. Maybe they are supporting each other in order to support the project achievements and the objectives. Yeah, most probably not, unless they are giving you this mix and match that you have. For example, those 4 structural types on the left, and they will give you an empty space, and here is a description with an empty space, description and empty space, description and empty space. They will ask you to click, hold and drag, yes, which communicates with what, and you will be managing to click here, hold the mouse and move it here. Click here, hold the mouse and move it here. And this is an example. This is not the correct answer for all such type of questions. So that's all regarding the structural types, guys. This is an important topic, at least for me, so please try to cover it. It's from the PMI. You can find the same table and you will find the topic for organizational structure types, so it's easy to figure out this topic.